the Knapsack Chemical Business Park. It covers 160 hectares and is part of the Cologne Economic Region. This cosmopolitan and international industrial site lies on the Rhine in the heart of Europe. It consists of two parts, the Knapsack Zone and the Hürth Zone, and they are connected by an extensive infrastructure and supply network. There are more than 350 kilometers of cables and pipelines supplying the Knapsack chemical site with steam, nitrogen, gas, electricity, oxygen, compressed air, coolant, purified water, and fresh water. Connected to the national grid, it has its own substation and distribution network. The IT net is state-of-the-art. At its heart is a new high-performance computing center where the combined data sets of Knapsack Chemical Park converge. Mail, business management processes, SAP applications, and data security are its principal functions. With its own station, the site is directly connected with the national rail network. A container service connects it with the ports of Cologne-Nil and Godorf on the Rhine. From there, the river connects directly with the major ports of Amsterdam, Rotterdam, and Antwerp. The international airports at Cologne-Bonn and Düsseldorf are nearby. Finally, there is a direct connection with the highway network, completing the communication links of this location in the heart of Europe. About 17 companies on the site use the excellent infrastructure and complete range of services on offer. Central to this is the Infraserv Knapsack. It provides the companies on the site with a made-to-measure package offering a complete range of industrial services as a one-stop shop. The most important objective for Infraserv Knapsack is achieving sustainable further development in the face of international competition. Infraserv Knapsack develops, plans, constructs, manages, and maintains chemical and industrial installations. In its role as site management company, Infraserv undertakes regular maintenance and repairs with its service units. Their expertise ensures that the production process for companies on the site is trouble-free, secure, and suffers minimum disruption. In addition, Infraserv Knapsack offers information and communication technology. It also undertakes safety, environmental, and health management. It provides comprehensive site logistics, supply and waste disposal. It even supplies training. The Rhine-Erft Academy is one of the region's most important institutions for vocational education and qualifications. The courses are geared to industry needs and have a high practical content. The Academy has a reputation as a market leader in providing courses for the chemical industry. The newly formed company, Personal Transfer, operates modern and flexible personnel management. Its main goal is to place people in jobs with other companies. Another important focus of Infraserv Knapsack is analysis. A range of techniques is available, about 2,000 in all. Whatever the problem, the Chemical Analysis Division of Infraserv Knapsack can be relied on for the most effective and efficient technique to solve each individual case. IWL is the Institute for Commercial Water Management and Air Quality and is certified to carry out emission measurements. It is involved in effluent technology, the measurement of emissions and hazardous materials, and product testing. All the industrial effluent, sewage, and surface water of the chemical park are combined and treated by the Abwassergesellschaft Knapsack. The treatment process includes denitrification, phosphate precipitation, and oxygenation to ensure high water quality. Basel Polyolefins manufactures plastic powders and granules on the Knapsack site for industries that process them further. At around 400,000 tons annually, this is the largest product group based here. The road transport of the plastic granules is carried out by Spedition Schmidt, specializing in bulk goods logistics. The company has a base at the site with 104 silos and a capacity of some 40,000 cubic meters. Container transport is managed by Knapsack Cargo. Up to 15,000 container movements annually are possible. The terminal has a direct connection to the Rhine ports and also the main railway terminal in Cologne. One way or another, Knapsack Chemical Park is well connected to the rest of Europe and beyond. Vinnolit uses 1,200 tons of rock salt per day to produce chlorine. That makes 250,000 tons annually. First, the rock salt is tipped into special bunkers where it is dissolved in water. The brine goes to the production process where it is electrolyzed to produce chlorine, caustic soda, and hydrogen. Vinnolit uses chlorine to produce 330,000 tons of vinyl chloride per year. Vinyl chloride is an intermediate product used in the production of PVC. They operate an air separation facility and bottling plant in Knapsack. Oxygen, nitrogen, and argon are liquefied and stored in tanks. Other noble gases, welding and medical gases are also part of the product range. This tank is being filled with liquid nitrogen. Liquid nitrogen from Messer uses Nexon for cooling. It looks like magic, but it's actually just physics. The company is devoted to the development and marketing of high-temperature superconductors. These ceramic materials have the capacity to pass electric current with no resistance. They can also defy gravity and float in the air. This is a technology of great potential in the future. Bayer Crop Science produces crop protection products and precursors for the agricultural industry. Along with fungicides, herbicides, and insecticides, the products made by Bayer Crop Science at Knapsack also include so-called safeners. The largest manufacturing company in Knapsack is Clariant. Along with dye pigments and halogen-free flame retardants, the Swiss company produces runway de-icer and raw materials for phosphate-free detergents. Clariant Acetyl Building Blocks manufactures chloroacetic acid. The product, which is made in one of the world's largest MCA installations, is used in the manufacture of special tensides, emulsifiers and glues, crop protection agents, stabilizers for plastics and in pharmaceuticals. The Dutch company Townfos specializes in phosphorus products. Here at Knapsack it makes phosphorus pentasulfide. It is an additive used mainly in lubricants in the automobile industry, especially in engines, gears, and hydraulic systems. For companies looking to open a facility at Knapsack, there is a useful synergy of both materials and other businesses. Land is available and lots of 20 hectares are being offered for new developments or the expansion of existing companies. Along with the economic advantages at Knapsack, the surrounding countryside offers a rich cultural diversity. It's in the middle of the Kottenforst Ville Nature Park with picturesque lakes nearby. Schloss Augustusburg in Brühl is recognized by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site. Its roots go back 2,000 years. Cologne, too, is an ancient city. Its famous cathedral has been the face of the city since antiquity. Some 170 chemical companies are located here. They have combined to work together under the umbrella of the Chemical Industry Initiative, Chem Cologne. Politicians, officials, the media, and people living here create an environment that welcomes the chemical industry. The dynamic infrastructure of a major city with its international cultural events makes this an exciting place to live in. The surrounding area with its wealth of natural amenities make this a most attractive location to relax in. The philosophy and facilities at Knapsack make it a great place to work in. Chemiepark Knapsack, an innovative location for chemistry and industry with a big future.